Oh, where's Darren?
Twice!
You know, Cece's still asleep right now. Okay.
So guys, we're gonna be opening this. Oh.
Okay. Yep.
This is so funny, guys.
So this is the Lustigt, and my wife wanted some sort of interesting building blocks, cardboard building blocks. I suggested we could have just got in the postal boxes from the postal store, but nope, we had to go and buy some. What were the other brands? Dad? So, do you have instructions on how to put these together?
Oh, that's kind of easy.
Oh.
That's kind of.
Do you want to say anything?
Hey guys, I stacked Cece is awake now, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's build something.
We're gonna build.
I don't know what it's called, but you are done, and then the next person goes, and then when the next person goes, then when they find treasures, the next person goes, and then the next person goes.
We have no idea what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about this.
What is that?
Oh, see? All down. No, I still have this. No, I have one more. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yay.
Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Would you want to say anything?
Bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Say bye bye, Cece.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Cece. Wave.